Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another monthly subscription from BohemStyle. In case you're interested in this box, I will leave a link for it down there below in the description bar. So let's go ahead and see what we have. So in case you're new, in this piece of paper is a link to a video tutorial showing you how to put together the projects in this box. But I'm not allowed to show it because it's top secret and you can only watch the video if you are a subscriber. So let's see what we got. Oh my god. What is this? Have I had this shape? Oh, I've had this shape. Yes, I got it before. In the same color, but I also got a red Picasso. I used it in a necklace. It was a necklace that I made using the Czech Beads exclusive monthly subscription box. I'll go and find it and put a picture of it up now. It was a continuous necklace. All the beads in that necklace I got from the Czech Beads exclusive monthly subscription box. So here they are. They're so pretty. Love it. Never get tired of turquoise. It's a really unusual shape. If you look this way, it looks like the bead's pinched. And then from this way it's pinched again, but it's pinched like this, if that makes sense to you. Okay. Oh, and remember, I will put links to all of the beads that I get in this box individually down there below in the description bar, because let's say you don't want the whole box but you want some beads out of it, so I will link beads down there below. I think I've gotten this flower before. You know, this color, I can't tell you what it is because I've never seen the same company call it the same name. It's always a different name, but it's pretty neat. I have this in 6OC beads in Czech glass. There is a gold wash on this. I don't know if you can see it. I want to say that I've used this before, but I'm not totally sure. Maybe it was something similar. I, again, made a necklace with a Czech Beads exclusive box. Had flowers in it. I'll go and look for that picture and put it up now. That was an easy project to do. It took some time for me to put all the beads onto the head pins. But if you're wanting to use flowers, maybe that design will inspire you. You can go and watch that video. I did a tutorial on it. So we have a eye pin. And this here, I don't know if I have this in Melons. I don't think I do. This is an 8mm melon. Come on. Open up. Don't be shy. Roll on out. Actually, maybe it's not gold. Maybe it's just a yellow. They're cool. They're really cool. Okay. And then we have several eye pins. Oh boy. What is this project going to be? It's going to be a Picasso project. Czech Picasso bead project, because there's more Picasso beads in there. We have more eye head pins. Not eye head pins. More eye pins. These are shorter. Oh, and one thing about this subscription, whenever I do the projects, they don't give you like enormously long eye pins and head pins. They will give you the pin you will need for the project. So you don't have to really cut off any waste. You just bend the end over. So if you're a person who's never made jewelry before and you want to do this, and they show how to do it in the video, you're not sure, you don't want to cut too much off, there's no slack. They always have the exact amount you would need. I don't know how they do it, because I can't do that. figure out how long of a pin that I would need, you know, for an exact project. So I just always buy the long ones. Anyways, these are oval jump rings. And then we have 2 lobster claw clasps, so it's going to be a necklace and a bracelet. And here are the Picasso. Actually, this might be Travertine. I've never seen this shape before. It looks like a nugget. Yes, this is going to be a Picasso necklace. I love it when they do this. I've actually made several Picasso necklaces using this box. So that picture that I showed you earlier, that continuous necklace that I did, all of those beads were pretty much Picasso, and they came in this box. I didn't use anything from my stash except for thread. That was it. But they have designed several necklaces and bracelets that had the Picasso, Czech Picasso beads that I love so much. And I myself have used their other box, which is not a kit like this that you put together. This is just a bunch of different random beads. But I've used that multiple times to make Picasso necklaces. There was another one that I did. I'll go look for that picture and put it up now. I think it was like 2 or 3 strands that I did, but it was only in the front, and I had a real cool connector piece they gave me. I used on the side, and I did the rest in chain. I really like that design. Here we have bead stringing wire, and then we have crimp tubes, and then we have these. I don't think this is a ripple. This is like an 8 or 10 millimeter bead. It's kind of like the ripple, but it's thicker. Ripples have, their edges aren't thick. They're tapered down, if that makes sense. Wow, we're going to have some really awesome beads coming out of there. I see some amazing goodies. And I never got to make my purchase with the coupons that I got in last month's box, but I was looking around at their site, putting some stuff in my cart that I was interested in. And these right here, I want to go back and get these. Hopefully they're in stock. You know, a lot of the stuff that I do want on the Czech Beads exclusive, also known as Craftica website, is sold out. I missed out on a lot of their beautiful beads, but look at this. This is orange Picasso. You don't see orange Picasso very often. It is gorgeous. I also love the other color you don't see very often in the Picasso finish is the chartreuse green with Picasso on it. That is amazing. Look how beautiful those are. These are Rondelles. They're not faceted though. I love those. Yes, I want to reorder these. Wait a second. They're in yellow? No, this is not. This is a disc. So this is a Rondelle. You could tell because it's a thicker bead. This is a disc. They also call this Rondelle, but I don't know why, because it's very thin. It's thin like a lintel, a Czech lintel. And I'm talking about the 1 hole or 2 hole. Doesn't matter how many holes. That's the thickness of it is the same. And if you guys remember, or you don't remember, I did a ring with these Czech disc beads. This is the 6 millimeter size. You could do 6 millimeter, 8 or 10. Really, I've tried all different sizes and they work for the flowers. I'll put a picture up now of the earrings I'm talking about and the other pieces that I made with this bead shape here. So yeah, those are awesome. I've never seen this color too. I might reorder those as well. And these, I think I have these in my stash. Maybe this is what I used. No, it wasn't. I used a different shaped flower, didn't I? It wasn't a bellflower. Yeah, I don't even know what that flower was called. Anyways, I think I have these in my stash. They're pretty cool. I don't know why I started in a row and I didn't finish the last. Oh my gosh! I've never seen a melon in this color. I might have to buy these too. Those are gorgeous. It says squeaking noise. Well, I guess it's my clip over here. Those are gorgeous beads. Okay, we have more flowers. What? I've never seen them send out ceramic. It's always been Czech glass. This is pretty. So this might be like our centerpiece or something. Isn't that beautiful? It's very chunky. Looks a lot like those. Okay, I'm excited about that. What else? Oh my, I want to say I saw these the other night. This is Melon, Czech melons, 8mm, but they are Picasso, but it's in all the colors. Yeah. Is there 3 of each? No. 2 of those, 2 of those, 2. Okay, I see. Aren't those beautiful? So that one's turquoise, that's black, or maybe dark green. That's orange. It's just heavily coated in the finish. And this is actually pale blue, like a mint green, bluish color. Those are beautiful too. Oh, I really like this flower. I like this more than the green one. I think this has dark brown wash. Yeah, so these are probably going to go on the head pins or the eye pins. I'm guessing. I don't know. I like to guess, but it's funny. I think it was the last video I did. I was making some wild guesses on what I could be making, and I was actually right on a lot of it. And I went back and I was editing it, and I thought it was funny how close I was and how much I actually guessed. So those are the head pins there. Those are short. And then melons. What? This looks like a 8mm Picasso melon bead that's acid washed. They also call it etched glass. Yeah, I think so. There's a plastic stuck on it from my bag. These look so old, don't they? They look like they're fossils or something. Okay, we have another bag. Big jump rings. These are heavy duty. Really thick gauge. 18 or 16 gauge? I think 18. And there's a lot. So I think that there's going to be, I'm going to guess, I don't know for sure, but I think it doesn't look like there's much wire here. I think the bracelet will be strung onto the beading wire, and I think the rest of the necklace will be done with the eye pins and the jump rings. But that's just a guess. I don't know for sure. Alright, so that's everything in the box. And this is it. I'm very excited to see what this project is going to be. And remember, I always put a picture of what the finished project looks like at the beginning and end of the video in case you want to go and see what it looks like, okay? And even though I do that and I tell you guys, I still have people comment all the time in my videos. I don't think they watch the video all the way through. And they say they can't wait to see what I'm going to make with all of these beads. But I show it in the video they're watching at the beginning and end. So this is it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will have, like I said, the link to the BohemStyle monthly subscription down there below. And I'm also going to have individual links to the beads you see here down there below. If you don't see a link for a bead, it's because I could not find it, but sometimes what I do is I'll just do a substitute or an alternative to the bead that was here, but I could not find the exact bead. Alright, so this is it. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure you click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. And follow me on my social media sites. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Thanks for watching.